Pakashata komana pakashata accident iyoyi pakashata. Ndatomuvhurira mupesi webhazi uyu manje so anamuvhurira abva achiflasha flash anenge akaitisa bhazi rekwari ndiri mumashure pangu apa. Ndiye andamuvhurira andatombofamba kana 2 kilometers. Achimhanya zvisingaiti apa tatotopinda patogeti tatotasana netogeti so akurova auro yanga ichibvawo ichangobudawo mutogeti akomana ka ona kuti rufu rwakaoma haruna basa kuti uri kumhanya kana kuita sei kana wadiwa manje pamberi pangu pandiri inini pane bhazi iroro nechikwantamu nerori neni anobva tikama manje katomuvhurira topindako hatinambotora kana time hatambofamba kana 2 kilometers yauraya vanhu hapafiwa pana pafiwa rume apa nambomira musha.
Masquera say, Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kiptanka kukuya panini channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa garogana subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmure Zimbabwe takigira nyaya kupisa. Nyaya kunetsa nyaya inowadza inosirisa ye an accident yaitika ku Beitbridge apo paita a head-on collision between an urban connect bus and a commercial truck parikunzi pafa vanhu vanokwana kuita 24 near Lutumba tollgate along the Beitbridge Masvingo highway. Accident iri kunzi yaitika at approximately 7 a.m. makuseni yauraya vanhu zvinorwadza zvinonzisa tsitsi mune Zimbabwe. Mapictures acho tatadza kuti kuvigirai mune Zimbabwe because they are very sensitive. Tiri kunzi 7 vanhu vafira pasport, vamwe vakafira ku Beitbridge District Hospital mune Zimbabwe. Kutaura kwatiri kuita zviri kunzi over 30 people vaadmitwa at the hospital, 12 vari kunzi vari mucritical condition. Nyaya inorwadza, nyaya inosiririsa mune Zimbabwe, vanhu vaonekwa vachishaya upenyu hwavo muchiitiko chinorwadza chakadai. Ma-Eyewitness anga ari pasini ataura iwo achiri the urban connect bus inga ichienda kuBeitbridge hanzi ranga richimhanya rachitrai kuovertake another vehicle hanzi sopa anga kuda kusvika kuLutumba tollgate hanzi ndo paiwanikwa ichidhumira patrack ranga rakatakura 34 tons dzemagnesium mune Zimbabwe dziri kunzi dzichangobviswa patollgate. Nyaya inorwadza, nyaya inosiririsa, nyaya yaburitswa nemai Zimbabwe vachitaura ivo vachiti a horrific head-on collision between an urban connect bus and a commercial truck has claimed the lives of 24 people near Lutumba tollgate along the Beitbridge Masvingo highway. The accident, which occurred at approximately 7 a.m. this morning, has left a trail of devastation and grief, prompting a swift response from local authorities and emergency services. Beitbridge District Medical Officer Dr. Lenos Samere confirmed the tragic toll, stating that 17 people died at the scene of the accident, while 17 others succumbed to the injuries, primarily head injuries. Upon admission to Beitbridge District Hospital, over 30 people have been admitted to the hospital, with 12 reported to be in critical condition. Eyewitnesses at the scene described the harrowing moment following the collision. The Urban Connect bus bound for Beitbridge and reportedly speeding was attempting to overtake another vehicle as it approached the Lutumba tollgate. It was then that the bus had an accident with a haulage truck carried 34 tons of magnesium, which had just pulled out of the tollgate. The impact was devastating, with both vehicles suffering extensive damage. The local Civil Protection Committee members, the police, and the army are currently on the ground working to retrieve the human remains from the wreckage. We are still busy on the ground. We will have a better picture of the exact figures at a later stage, said Dr. Samere, highlighting the ongoing efforts to manage the aftermath of the tragedy. The accident occurred at 21 kilometers north of the border town, causing panic-stricken Beitbridge residents to throng the district hospital, desperately seeking information about their loved ones. I rushed here to verify if any of my relatives were injured and could have died, said a woman who preferred to be called Mai Tanaka, reflecting the widespread anxiety and concern within the community. Initial reports suggest that the bus was traveling to Beitbridge while the truck was heading to Chirundu. The exact cause of the accident is still under investigation, with preliminary indications suggesting that the bus driver may have made an overtaking error. Police and traffic officials have cordoned off the area while conducting a thorough investigation. Authorities are urging drivers to exercise extreme caution on the Beitbridge Mashungo Highway, particularly around Lutumba area, which is known for its high traffic volume and frequent accidents. The Beitbridge Mashungo Highway is a critical transport artery connecting Zimbabwe with South Africa and other regional markets. However, it is also notorious for its high accident rate, often attributed to speeding, reckless driving, and poor conditions of some vehicles. This latest tragedy underscores the urgent need for improved road safety measures, including stricter enforcement of traffic laws, enhanced driver education, and investment in road infrastructure. The Civil Protection Committee is working closely with the police and the army to provide support to victims and their families. Counseling services are being offered to those affected by the tragedy, and efforts are underway to identify the deceased and inform their next of kin. The accident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of responsible driving and the devastating consequences of road traffic accidents. As investigations continue, authorities are appealing to the public to come forward with any information that may assist in determining the exact cause of the collision. The nation mourns the loss of 24 lives, and thoughts and prayers are with the injured and the families of the deceased during this difficult time. The Beitbridge Mashungo Highway remains a hazardous stretch of road, and this tragedy serves as a call to action to improve road safety and prevent future loss of life. Ndomabuditso yaitwa nyaya iyi muri Zimbabwe tisingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi tudziwo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Pakashata akomana, pakashata accident iyoyi, pakashata. Ndatomuvhurira mufesi webhazi uyu manje so andamuvhurira abva achiflasha flash anenge akaitiza bhazi rekwarindi riri kumashure pangu apa. Nje andamuvhurira andatombofamba kana 2 kilometers. Achimhanya zvisingaiti apa takutopinda patogeti tatasani togeti so akurova auro yanga ichibvawo ichangobudawo mutogeti akomana aka ona kuti rufu rwakaoma aruna basa kuti uri kumhanya kana kuita sei kana wangodiwa wadiwa. Manje pamberi pangu pandiri inini pane bhazi iroro nechikwantamu nerori neni anobva tikama manje katomuvhurira ripinda ako hatinambotora kana time hazvamboita kana atambofamba kana 2 kilometers. Yauraya vanhu hapafiwa pana pafiwa rume apa tambomira musha.